Problem number 8. Solve the system 3x plus y is equal to 9 and x squared minus y is equal to negative 5. As you notice, diri na system, ang first equation is a linear equation and the second equation is a quadratic equation, so non-linear. So how are we going to solve this kind of problem? So first, label its equations. We have equation 1 and equation 2. Then, we solve y in equation 1. So, atong isolve diri sa linear. Kay linear man ni, mas dali na to siyang isolve. So, kung mga non-linear gani na system, mas maayo gid ang substitution method. So, pwede gyapon ka mag-elimination pass ani, ma-eliminate mo ang y, pero in this case, akong gigamit ang substitution. So, solve for y in equation 1. So, we have y is equal to negative 3x plus 9. Then, we substitute it to equation 2. So, atong i-substitute ang y sa equation 2. So, we have x squared minus, so kay ang y naman is negative 3x plus 9. So, replace this by negative 3x plus 9 is equal to 5. And then we simplify. So, ato lang ning i-substitute, ato ning i-distribute ang negative. So, we have this negative times negative 3x. So, we have positive 3x, then kani negative 9. So we have x squared plus 3x, negative 9. So kung ato ni tasos ang negative 5, so this would become positive 5. Negative 9 plus 5 is negative 4. Then we have this quadratic equation. We are going to solve this. So we can factor this out. So we have x plus 4 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we solve this by the zero factor theorem. This is x plus 4 is equal to 0. Or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, i-transpose na to ang mga constant to the right-hand side. So, x is equal to negative 4 or x is equal to 1. So, muna siya. Substitute these values equation 1 to get, we need to substitute these values to equation 1 to get the value of y. So, we have when x is equal to 1, we have 3 times 1 plus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 3. Ato lang i-transpose ang 3. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. So, y is equal to 6. Then, kung x is equal to 4, so ato lang yapong i-replace, no? 3 times negative 4 plus y is equal to 9. That is negative 12 plus y is equal to 9. Atong i-transpose ang negative 12 diri sa pikas side. So, y is equal to 9 plus 12. 9 plus 12 is 21. So, we have y is equal to 21. So, we have 2 points. So, the solution set are 1 and 6 and negative 4 and 21. So, kung ato ning i-graph, diba, this is a line and this is a parabola. Kay quadratic man siya. So, we have this. I gigraph na ko siya sa Desmos. So, ang red is the second equation. Ang blue is the first equation. So, duha ka points siya nag-intersect. Mao nang duha ay ang answer. So, kung pila ka points ang na-intersect, muto siya pod ang solution. Pero mailani mo kung pila ang solution. Kaya depende sa degree. So, kung ang highest degree is 2, so it means you have 2 points. Kung 3 pod na, you have 3 points. Pero wala na siya ang maximum. Pwede man god duha, pwede isa, pwede wala, no? Or pwede daghan, but ang maximum, daghan siya pag equal. Parehas gid sila duha, identical. Pero in this case, wala na mailanan ang degree niya. So, kung 2, duha pod siya ka points. So, just like this one. So, that would be our answer.